Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes units daily weather briefing. As we know, yesterday there was a well-marked low pressure area over southeast adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal. This well-marked low pressure area concentrated into a depression at 17:30 hours IST of yesterday. Under the influence of this depression, extremely heavy rainfall has been reported over Tamil Nadu. Very heavy rainfall has been reported over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. If we look district-wise realized rainfall data, then we find that Chengalpattu district of Tamil Nadu, there are few stations which have reported heavy to very heavy rainfall, and Tambaram station has reported extremely heavy rainfall, that is 23 centimeter. Mahabalipuram and Kelabakkam have reported 17 and 12 centimeter respectively. If we look into Tiruvallur district data, then we find that Cholavaram and Ennore has reported 22 and 21 centimeter of rainfall during 8:30 hours IST of yesterday to 8:30 hours IST of today. If you look into Chennai data, then Pirambur of Chennai has reported 17 centimeter. Nungam Bakkam has reported 16, MGR Nagar 15, and Minambakam and Chennai have reported 14 centimeter rainfall. Similarly, Nellore of coastal Andhra Pradesh, actually South coastal Andhra Pradesh, one station of Nellore, Sullur Peta, has reported 18 centimeter rainfall. And Rayalaseema, Chittoor district of Rayalaseema, Satyavedu station has reported 11 centimeter rainfall, and Aryan Kavu of Kollam district of Kerala has reported 18 centimeter rainfall. Now, currently, if we see the location of the depression, then it is lying over southwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal. And currently at 11:30 hours IST of today, that is 11 November, this depression was centered at 12.6 degree north latitude and 80.9 degree east longitude, which amounts to 80 kilometer of east southeast distance from Chennai, and 140 kilometer east northeast of distance from Puducherry. And this depression is very likely to keep moving northwestwards and cross North Tamil Nadu and adjoining South Andhra Pradesh coasts around Chennai during the evening hours of today, that is the 11th November of 2021. So, under the influence of this depression, extremely heavy rainfall warning is there for next 24 hours over Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema, and very heavy rainfall warning is there for Kerala and South Interior Karnataka. From tomorrow onwards, as this depression weakens into a well-marked low pressure area and further into a low pressure area and further become less marked, so the warning intensity, rainfall intensity is very likely to decrease over these all subdivisions. As we can see, today we have given red color for coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu, and orange color for South Interior Karnataka and Kerala. Tomorrow, these colors are reduced to simply yellow color. And this rainfall intensity further reduces on 13th of November. Now, if we see into the district-wise rainfall scenario over Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala, for Tamil Nadu, today, uh, that is up to 8:30 hours IST of 12th of November, Ranipet, Tiruvallur, and Kanchipuram are and Chennai also likely to report isolated extremely heavy falls, that is greater than 20 centimeter of rainfall, and Chengalpattu, Villupuram, Tiruvannamalai, Vellore, and Tirupattur are likely to report at isolated places isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is between 10 to 15 or 18 centimeter of rainfall. And these adjoining districts, these south western districts from over this north interior Tamil Nadu, Krishnagiri, Dharmapuri, Erode, Salem, and Kallakurichi are likely to receive isolated heavy rainfall. And from tomorrow, that is from 12th of November, as we just saw here, this rainfall intensity is likely to reduce, likely to just convert into isolated heavy rainfall only. And we also have a low pressure area which is over South Arabian Sea and adjoining Central Arabian Sea, and which was earlier a depression over East Central Arabian Sea. It has now it lies just as a low pressure area, as a feeble low pressure area only. Now, if we come over to Kerala, this Kerala state rainfall warning scenario, then we see that Idukki, Kottayam, uh, uh, Pathanam Thitta, and Kollam districts of Kerala, of South Kerala, of course, are likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall till 8:30 hours IST of tomorrow, and then also over Kerala, the rainfall intensity is likely to decrease to just isolated heavy rainfall. Although from day 5 again, from day 4 again over Kerala, this rainfall intensity is likely to enhance. If you look into Andhra Pradesh, that is coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema, then Anantapuramu and Kurnool district of Rayalaseema and are likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall till 8:30 hours IST of tomorrow, 12th November. And over Chittoor, YSR district, over Nellore district, over Prakasham, over Guntur, Krishna, West Godavari, and East Godavari, rainfall is likely to be observed in the extremely heavy rainfall category, that is more than 20 centimeter rainfall. As we have seen, the depression is still persisting over the region of southeast adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal of North Tamil Nadu, South Andhra Pradesh coast. So this today, if we see, the more rainfall warning prone region is our coastal Andhra Pradesh, and the rainfall warning pro region over Chennai has shifted further northwards. And tomorrow onwards, again, this rainfall warning scenario over this Andhra Pradesh reduces to just isolated heavy rainfall warning. Uh, in association with this depression, there is a wind is prevailing of the order of 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph over southwest adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal of Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coasts and Gulf of Mannar also. And this rainfall warning is this wind warning is likely to reduce from tomorrow, and only this area of Gulf of Mannar and Comorin area are likely to experience 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph from tomorrow. Today, in view of this location of this depression over south west Bay of Bengal, fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea over this area, over the area of southwest Bay of Bengal adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal of Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coast and Gulf of Mannar as well. Now there is another low pressure area forming, which is over South Andaman Sea and neighborhood on 13th of November, and it is likely to become more marked during subsequent 48 hours and move west north westwards. So under the influence of this new low pressure area development, South Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal are likely to experience 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph winds. And from 14th of November, this wind warning is likely to increase from 40 to 50 to 45 to 55, gusting to 65 kmph on 14th. And on 15th, this wind warning area is likely to slightly shift westwards, and 45 to 55 gusting to 65 kmph winds are likely over southeast and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with daily weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.